Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my March 2019 Allure Beauty Box. And let's just go ahead and get into it. It's late, but the Allure box usually is late. I was a little concerned. I started seeing some unboxings of this like way in the beginning of the month, but I've already pulled the card out of here, and what I'm getting is nothing like what everybody else was getting, so I'm not sure where they got those boxes from. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. They did change to a different packaging a couple of months ago. I think it was the beginning of the year. I'm not as huge a fan of this, really not. There is one of the products still in the box. I'll pull that out in a minute though. This is like just a cheap vinyl. In fact, when I pulled it out, it's actually torn already. Before I even opened it at all, it's already torn. So there's that. Anyway, it's nice if you like travel a lot and you want something to like, you know, keep some toiletries in and stuff. I think this would be pretty nice, but well, not this one because it's torn. So, all right. I did pull the card out here. Like I said, it's a little booklet, I guess, for Allure. And it does have all the products listed in the book that are in the bag. So I'm going to pull the item that was just sitting in the box out first. This is from Au Natural, or Natural, Au Natural. It is a cream multi-stick in grapefruit. All right, so that's what it looks like. Does not have a scent. Does not have a scent. That is what it looks like in the container. That's why I said because I was like, that's kind of odd. But let's go ahead and swatch it. It's very dry. Like when I rubbed it on the back of my hand, it's very, very dry. I did not expect that. I actually expected it to be nice and creamy, but it is like, it feels very dry. That's odd to me. That's very odd. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can blend it out a little bit with my finger. I put a lot on the back of my hand. Okay, it does sort of tone down when you blend it out. All right, I will need to give that a try. I don't often wear cream products, but I definitely want to give that a try. And it is a clean beauty product. I don't think I mentioned that. It actually does say on the side of the box, Clean Beauty Revolution, and talks about clean beauty. Maybe that's why it's dry, or it feels dry compared to some other products. All right. The book says, Au Natural, the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick in Grapefruit. When I blended this golden peachy cream blush onto my cheeks, it gave my complexion a subtle warmth and color that looked like it could be my own. It's a magic wand that gives you a running around the playground flush, even when you're staring at a computer all day. The fresh effect works especially well if you put it on the apples of your cheeks and across the bridge of your nose and blend it with your fingers. Their warmth diffuses it perfectly. And it doesn't hurt that the formula is organic and cruelty-free. Okay, you can get this at aunaturalcosmetics.com. You can enter code Allure19 at checkout to receive 30% off your order from February 1st through May 31st. There you go. I will give that a try. Okay, now into the bag. I think I did pop it open. Yes, I did. And I'm going to pull the item out that I think is the cause of the tear in the bag. This is from Amica. It's the Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. I believe this is for hair. Yes, it is. That is what the product looks like. Okay. Okay, it does not have a safety seal. All I'm smelling is the plastic of the container. Can't tell you if it has a scent or not. Okay, it's very floral, and it literally just slid right off my fingers. Okay. It smells nice. I wouldn't mind having my hair smell like that. Okay. Let's go ahead and find it in the book here. So this is a product for hair. Amica Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. This light lotion is a little slippery, so it's easy to rake through damp hair. Just don't wave your hands around while the formula is still in your palms. It slid right off mine and onto the floor, and it did just slide right off my fingers onto my other hand. On take 2, I separated my hair into 4 sections and quickly smoothed a dime-sized blob through each. I have thick, wavy-ish hair that's prone to fuzziness? And this stuff sped up my blowout by making it easier to dry my hair straight, and it added a touch of shine in the process. You can get it at loveamica.com. And there was an alternative this month. You could have also gotten the Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster, which I did not get. All right, let's go ahead and get the next thing out of the bag. Let's start on this end here. This is the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. I have several of these, so I'm actually going to put this in my giveaway drawer because I have several of them. So this was another alternative. You could have gotten one of two different things. The first one was the Ren Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm, which I don't have and I've never tried. So I kind of wish I'd gotten that, but it's okay. And then I got this. This is the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. I've lost count of how many times I've restocked my beloved Belief moisturizer. The gel-like formula absorbs in seconds, gives skin a rush of hydration, and helps me look smooth and poreless. It's got calming ingredients, calendula, oat kernel extract, and the natural lemongrass scent is so soothing. I wish I had a candle version of it. There you go. All right, moving on, let's pull the next item out of the package. This is from DermaE, and it is a microdermabrasion scrub. Ooh. It smells lemon lime-ish. That's what it looks like. It's just a white cream. This is the container. I'm gonna get a little bit out and rub it on the back of my hand to see what it feels like. Yep, it is gritty. Not bad, but it does have a little bit of grit to it. That's interesting. Okay. The scent is not unpleasant. Yeah. All right, so this is the DermaE Microdermabrasion Scrub. This scrub with salt and grapeseed oil collapses many skincare steps into one pot. It lifts away dead cells, clears pores, moisturizes, and it delivers. My skin texture is better and my cheekbones look downright glinty. I think some of the words in this book are made up. I really do. Okay, moving on. All right, back into the bag. Pull the next item out. This is from Biosense. This is the Squalene and Vitamin C Rose Oil. You're supposed to massage a few drops onto cleansed face and neck both morning and night. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. It's just a little box. Okay. I just have a pair of scissors sitting here so that I can cut things open or use them to open boxes. So, all right, so it is just a little box, or a little bottle, not a box, a little bottle. Let's go ahead and open it up. Just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, one drop. One little drop went very far. I'm not sure I like the smell of that. It's kind of rose, but it's also kind of not rose. I'm not sure that I like the smell of that. Okay. What does the book say? So this is the rose oil. Okay, so this is the Biosense Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil. The marquee ingredients hydrate and brighten so well that after I tried this oil, there was no going back. I press it on after moisturizer, which makes my skin dewier, not oily. There is a promo code. Enter Allure19 at checkout to receive 20% off your order from March 1st through June 1st. All right, next item. Let's pull this item out right here. This is from MomOwned. This is the Rose Water Toner. Now, I just got this last month. What box did I get it in last month? Maybe it wasn't the toner that I got. Maybe I got a different MomOwned product. I remember this brand because there was a couple of Rose products. I can't remember. There it is. Okay. So this is the MomOwned Rose Water Toner. I've become hooked on that refreshed, hydrated feel toner. I've become hooked on that refreshed, hydrated feel. Toner gives me post cleanser. Okay, I was having a hard time reading that sentence. And MomOwned leaves my skin softer and more moisturized than most. It gently removes some of the dead cells living rent-free on your skin so the rest of your products could penetrate better. And it's made with organic damask roses that the brand says were handpicked at dawn. I certainly wasn't there for the harvesting of these flowers, but I can confirm that this toner feels as silky as putting on rose petals. I like to apply it with a cotton pad, which I make sure is really saturated. Then I swipe and dab the toner all over until my skin is nice and smooth. You can use a code. You enter MomOwned20 at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase of Rosewater Toner from March 1st through March 30th. So get on that. If you're interested in using that 20% off code, you only have a couple of days left. All right, and then the last thing in here is this item right here. This is from Allure. Oh, okay, so it looks like there was an option. Yeah, for the Biosense there, you could either get the rose oil or you could get a Biosense Squalane Peptide Eye Gel. So there's an option there. I was wondering why there was 2 products in the book. All right, so this is from Allure. It's the Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. Why did I get 2 oils? I got another oil. So let's go ahead and open this. It's in a little pink packaging. Okay. Let's open it up. Maybe. There it goes. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. It's literally just a blue bottle. It has no writing on it at all. Well, I mean, it's a clear bottle, but the product inside is blue. That is odd. Very odd. Oh, it's a roller ball. What is going on here? I'm confused. Let's read from the book. Allure Seriously Soothing Night Oil. There are 10 hydrating oils packed in here, but this mix is delightfully light. I use it after my retinol at night on dry spots before makeup, even on the ends of my hair. And you can get it at Allure.com and use code Allure19 at checkout to receive 5% off your order from March 1st through May 1st. All right, I'm confused by this product. Like very little comes out, and when it does come out, it like dries almost instantly. It's got a pleasant scent to it though. That one smells very citrusy. What does the box say? Warm 1 to 2 pumps in the palm and press into the face, neck, and décolleté. The problem is that it's not a pump, it's a roller. All right. It's blue tansy and rose for normal to sensitive skin. Did I read it? I already read it, didn't I? Yes. Okay, so that's everything. There are a lot of products in here this month. Honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed just because it is so heavily made up of skincare, but that's okay. Allure Beauty Box does that sometimes, but most of the time they're really, really great. The products in here are great. I have the Allure oil. The biggest thing that I'm kind of wondering is why I got 2 oils, and then I have the Biosense Vitamin C Rose Oil. So there's 2 oils. Okay. The Amica Smoothing Balm for the hair. The Belief Aqua Balm, which I have gotten that before, and I am going to give that away. The MomOwned Rosewater Toner, which I will definitely give a try. The DermaE Microdermabrasion Scrub, which I'm very curious about. And then the Au Natural multi-stick, which feels like it's dried out. Even like when I try to twist it up, it keeps getting like stuck at one point in the twist. So I don't know if that's the product or just the packaging or what. It's kind of weird. Anyway, now it won't. Now I can't get the lid back. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I just wasn't pushing hard enough. All right. Anyway, Allure is a $15 per month box, so that's kind of nice. It's not quite as expensive as some of the other ones, but then again, you also only get samples. You don't get full-size products, but you get a bunch of different types of products. So Allure is one of my favorite boxes. I really enjoy it. This month, I'm let down a little bit, but it's not horrible. So anyway, there's my Allure unboxing for March 2019. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button. I really do appreciate it, probably more than you realize. And hit the bell if you feel like it. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I'm very, very, very far behind on comments. I think I'm about 2 weeks or 3 weeks behind on comments. My work life has been crazy hectic. I said it in a recent video here. I've been working like 50-hour weeks. It's just been very crazy. So I apologize. I will get on that very soon. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.